Analysis and evaluation together form one of the key professional skills on which you'll be tested in your AFM exam. This is a major skill and an important one for financial managers, so you can expect it to feature in every question of the exam. Analysis is where you logically interpret given information from a variety of sources and then process it systematically. Evaluation is closely linked, and in your AFM exam, evaluation should always follow any analysis which you have performed. Effective evaluation can be demonstrated through the following: by assessing and using professional judgments when considering issues, problems, or decisions the organisation faces, estimating future trends and making sensible forecasts of the implications of decisions which the organisation is making, and appraising facts, opinions, and findings objectively with a view to balancing any costs, risks, benefits, and opportunities before making an overall recommendation. To demonstrate effective analysis and evaluation, you need to be able to take information provided, use it to perform relevant calculations, and then explain the implications of the results of your calculations. For example, you may be asked to prepare a report for the board of directors that looks at the acceptability of a proposed foreign investment project. How would you use the information provided to demonstrate sound analysis and evaluation skills, as well as gain the technical marks available? One logical approach would be to use the numbers to carry out a full appraisal of both overseas and home currency cash flows. Ask yourself, what does the net present value show? You should use the calculations you have performed to help identify any key variables or assumptions which might significantly influence your result. Next, you need to ask if there are any financial factors not included in these calculations which could be relevant to the decision being made, or indeed, are there significant non-financial factors to be considered too? In order to present a balanced argument, you need to consider any downsides to the investment. This may include risks associated with financing or operating overseas, and you should look at the specifics of the scenario to help identify what key matters should be considered. Finally, you would need to make a recommendation on whether to proceed with a foreign investment or not. Remember, you will obtain credit for a sensible recommendation as long as it's supported by your analysis and arguments. It's important to use the information available to ensure you are able to give a balanced assessment in your answer. Ensure you allocate sufficient time to review the information. In summary, during the exam, make sure you think about the following areas. What information is available? Use the numerical information provided to perform calculations to form the basis of your analysis. What does the information actually mean? Consider the impact it will have on the organisation. Ensure you create a balanced argument. Cover both advantages and disadvantages of a proposal to make sure you cover both sides of the issue. Conclude or recommend. As you saw in our example, you're likely to be asked to evaluate a proposal and whether it should be undertaken. Provide your opinion and back this up by summarising the key advantage or disadvantage. Watch the rest of the videos in this series and use the ACCA practice platform to develop your answers to display good professional skills. Good luck with your studies.